Andrew comes in, he spends all his time in the shop with one of our senior techs. They've done everything from engine rebuilds to electrical issues, a lot of hands-on time.
Anything from detailing cars to fixing cars to going through the financing of cars to walking through a sales process.
Our intern gets to go out and work on the project and be involved. They get to experience as much as they can.
My name is Savannah Shonrock and I'm an intern at Autoland Inc.
An opportunity like this doesn't come every day, and being able to get your foot in the door at an employer and get that relationship started is great for a kid still in high school.
Students get to experience the IT field and experience real life working without buying per se the career. They just get to experience it, and for us it's great because we get to expose ourselves to these young students who might possibly be going to school for IT, and in chance that they could end up getting a full-time job here when they're done with school.
I plan on going to college and studying further to continue my IT career, so that will be a great foundation for that.
I think it's a great program, and I think it allows the students to see what they would be doing in a chosen profession as opposed to just learning about it in the classroom. I think the day-to-day hands-on experience is really a positive thing for the students to learn to see what they would actually be doing.
Take advantage of the internship class that you're given. You don't have to worry about trying to set it up. You have a connection at your school that will do it for you, and it's a really good opportunity to get into a field that you like or that you think you'll like, and even if you don't like it, you'll know you don't like it and you won't waste time in college and money taking those classes and figuring out you don't actually like it. So it's really been a nice experience.
I would say definitely take it. It's so worth it. It's so much learning, and it's just a great experience.
The most unexpected thing about getting into the automotive industry is that I'm just a little high school girl, and I kind of expected to be treated differently or treated like I was less, but it's crazy because everyone here treats me as an equal, and it's nice because I feel respected here and I feel like I can go somewhere.
I honestly do hope that they do allow me to stay around for quite a while, because I honestly do love it, especially when I was on the job site with Nate's crew and everything, and honestly even just around the shop. It's an extremely nice atmosphere and gives you a chance to see if you like it or not.
Everybody here is just trying to help you. They all want to help you get better. They all want you to be the best you can be, which is really helpful.
An internship really gives you the opportunity to explore your future, and that's something, especially as a junior or senior in high school, you want to be thinking about.